Look, it's that time of the week. What fitness challenge are we going to do today?
Start level 1.
This is our most requested video yet, the beat test. Here is some advice from the Lambros on how to improve your beat test score. Make sure you double knot your shoes, because like everything in life, if they're single, they're dangerous. Now, an elite score for a male is 13.10. I'm not used to hearing those numbers, Locke. Oh, really? Neither am I. We have arrived and measured out 20 meters with a tape measure, so there's no funny business during the test. Fortunately, we won't have a photographer here today due to our ad revenue on the previous couple of videos. Now, as you know, it's a Lambros fitness challenge, and in every fitness challenge, there has to be a forfeit. I don't care what any of you say. So without further ado, what's the forfeit? The forfeit for today's challenge is the much dreaded straight arm. The loser will be straight arming this 2-litre drink bottle. Rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. You don't want to go first in a challenge like this. Yes! Yes! Being the idiots that we are, we've forgot the UE boom, so we're actually playing it from the car right now. So amateur.
The multi-stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds.
Start level 1.
This honestly reminds me of the primary school days when we used to get flogged.
Level 5, 2.
Definitely got him in.
Level 5, 4.
He's already puffing and panting at 5.4, so I reckon we're on. $7.10, let's go. Tops off at 10, I heard. He's zoned in. Coming for that 13.10. Now it's picking up, 9.3.
Start level 10, 1. Level 10, 2.
For everyone who requested the beep test,
Level 10.
I'm not happy about it at all.
Level 10, 10.
Shit, yeah, awesome.
Level 10, 11.
You are smashing it.
Level 11, 1.
They're off. What would you say RPEs out of 10? 7? That means you got another 4 levels in you. 11.8, man, you're doing well. Level 12, oh my days, man, you're smashing it. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, 12.7. 12.8, damn boy, you fine. 12, get to 13, come on. 13, jeez, I'm actually in a bit of trouble here. This is ridiculous. I think my best ever is 13.7s.
Level 13, 8.
13.8, you're 2 from the elite level.
Level 13.
Get there.
Level 13, 10.
13.10, oh my gosh. 13.11. RP of 10. David Goggins, I'm coming for you in those ultras. 20, 24, here we come. Oh. That was actually really special. 13.11. I'm actually nervous for this one. I can't believe you got that score. It's actually beyond me. I also hit legs yesterday, which is definitely not ideal. This is actually a genuine tip to the beep test. Stop about 1 meter before the line. Last big step, bang. That way, every single time you're cutting off 2 meters like that. So like this, bang, explode. Get about 1 meter away. Big step, hit the line, bang. 3.7 lightweight. This is level 4.3, a little bit more accurate than 13.10. Lockie's currently on 5.4. I'm a little bit nervous here. Really don't want to do that forfeit again today. That was actually my best beat test yet. It's just a dreaded area for me, just over there behind his car. That is where I jumped in the puddle a couple of videos ago. So really don't want to be doing that forfeit again today. We are listening to the beep test out of his car because he forgot the UE boom. You gotta be kidding me. I deserve the win, surely. What time is it? What's up, baby? $12, let's go. $12.10. I must say, I'm getting quite nervous here. He's on the 13.5. And the Lambros, we push hard. If he knows what he's got to beat, I'm in trouble.
Level 13, 10.
13.10.
Level 13, 11.
Level 14. 14.5, come on. 14.5. He wants more. He wants more. He wants more. He wants more. He could get to 15 here, ladies and gentlemen.
Level 14, 10.
14.10.
Level 14, 11. Level 14, 12. Level 14, 13.
15. Sprint.
Level 15, 3.
Hey,
Level 15,
good effort, but the man is shot.
So I hit it. 15, I can't believe that.
Is it just me as well? But I honestly reckon the beat test is such a mental game. When you work on your mindset, it just changes the game. You're able to reach different levels.
Got to reach into the cookie jar for your extra motivation. I think it's time for you to do a forfeit, mate. That water bottle over there is looking juicy.
That sums up the beep test for today. I got a score of 13.11.
And myself got 15-1. And Steph, mate, it's time for your favourite part of the week, the weekly forfeit.
We took a win today. It was my PB, and I fall in the top 5% category of males, hitting an elite score of 13.10, and somehow I've still taken a loss. Now, we did say as well, close on for this forfeit to make it more grueling. I do have to take my runners off though, because I'm training for a marathon, so we can't get those wet, but no half ends.
Should have taken your socks off as well, mate. Now I reckon he's swallowed a total of 0 milliliters of water and he's just got it all over his clothes. your head. Oh, you wet my pants. I wet my pants.